My sewing class is canceled today because it's like snowy and icy outside, which I'm a little bummed about because I look forward to that class every week. But instead, I thought it would be fun to decorate and organize my new studio. Welcome to my studio, aka the laundry room. Behind you is the washer and dryer. There used to be a big counter cabinet thing right here, but we took it out and put my desk in because making art is more important than doing laundry. I haven't put much away so far, but I did put most of my fabric in here. After I did it, I realized I could have color coordinated, but that's okay. Maybe I'll get to it later. Down there, I have a basket of scrap fabrics and like in progress stuff. First, right now, I'm going to put away my art books. And my boyfriend installed this nice shelf for me. I think it looks very studio-like. Also, the gap between the cabinet and the desk was just like too big, a waste of space. I needed a shelf. However, regular books don't fit up here. Only little mini books do. But these are like some kind of like theory or art books. So I thought I'd just put them like that. I think I'll put most of my art books on this bookshelf. Oh yeah, I also have this nightstand. And I have a lot of my art books here because I just brought this lamp in. I plopped it on top of the books, but I kind of like how it looks. So I'm like, should I leave it? But at the same time, it makes it hard to access the books. So we'll see. Oh my gosh, this is a little vase. I picked her up today. She's my gorgeous little fairy angel. I just love her. She's from this like consignment shop that I go to all the time, and I always look at these doll vase things. I've wanted one for a really long time, but I just didn't really know what to do with it. And then suddenly I had the perfect idea to use her for these big paintbrushes. Her name is Serena. It's on a label printer on the bottom of the vase. And I wonder if she came like that or if the person who previously owned her gave her that name with the label printer. They all had names on them. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Serena's gorgeous. Maybe like over here. We'll start with this shelf. Not super sure how I want to organize them, so I'll just start putting them on. I have some cool art books. This is my Laura Owens book. It has the sweetest table of contents, and it's just so cute. I also have this Joan Didion What She Means book. This was an exhibition at the Hammer, and I kept meaning to go, and then I never went, but I got the book, which is second best. Amazing, so good. I also have this quilting book. It's America's Glorious Quilts. The only issue, but also what's amazing about it, is that it's huge. So I end up putting it under stuff and then I don't really look at it. So I think for now, I'll put it up here, which means I'll probably put stuff on top of it. I don't know where else to put it. This one's a kid's book. I do want to bring my picture books in here because I find them very useful for inspiration. I'm gonna go get more books. Picture books. This will be the graphic novel shelf. Okay, so the books are done for now. Graphic novels, and then my other ones. It goes like sketchbook, illustration, fine art, crafts, and like craft theory mostly, but a little bit of art theory. I have this box. This is just a box that had clay in it, but these boxes are so nice and sturdy, so they're good for storing stuff. Right now I just have like lace bits in there, but I just brought up some art supplies, so I think I should figure out where that's gonna go. The thing is, I feel like I don't really know where to put all my little bits and stuff. Like this is nice because I already have a container for it. This has my gouache, which I should go through because some of it is like empty. I also think it's time to go through my brushes. Like I have this nice new palette knife. This one's really nasty. So I recently watched this YouTube video where this girl was talking about like basically getting your life together and like making your goals happen. Normally self-help type videos don't really work for me. Like I like to watch them sometimes to feel motivated, but then after the video's over, I'm like, okay. But this one stuck with me. She was saying how like we need to be able to rely on ourselves. Like if we say we're gonna do something, we can't just be like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Also identifying the things in your life that are holding you back. I'll link the video, it's worth a watch, but I identified the things in my life that are holding me back. TikTok. So I deleted TikTok, and then the other thing is cleaning, organizing. I just let things things get messy, and it's really important for me when my spaces are clean. Otherwise, I feel like my brain just can't deal. So I've been trying to make it a point to like actually do the dishes right away. Even though I might not be in the mood now, I'll be happy with myself later. And the like cleaning up and TikTok would kind of feed into each other because it was like, oh, I don't feel like cleaning, I'll just go on TikTok. So I've been really trying to limit my social media time because I think it just makes me a lot happier. And also, I think having a dedicated laundry day, the hard thing for me is always like the cycle of doing laundry, getting the room clean, and then boom, you have new clothes to put away immediately. And it's just like a constant cycle. And I would kind of rather just have like one big day of doing laundry because then I can put it all away in that day. And when I told my boyfriend this, he was like, you know you're getting old when you get excited about your laundry schedule. There's that. I keep all of my ink in this, oh, there's 2 of them, this bucket, because I like to use the bucket for water when I'm painting. So now it's good that I actually have one I can use. I was thinking of putting this here because I do use those a lot. Oh yeah, I recently got these Bose headphones. The ones that I got were a collab with Susan Alexandra, so they came in this really cute sparkly bag and with these glittery stickers so you can customize it. They also sent this little folder, and I thought this would be perfect for keeping my stickers. Decorating the headphones was really fun, but it was also really stressful. At first, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna have fun with this process and be chill about it, just put stickers on it. Like, it's a fun little craft to do. But then once I was like halfway through seeing the results of just being relaxed about it, I was like, oh no, where am I gonna fit these other stickers? And they were just like, I don't know, it just got not relaxed. And then I felt really weird afterwards, but now I'm back to loving the headphones. And now I have a place to keep my stickers. I just keep bringing more and more stuff in here, but I'm like, I have to have baby Chi-Chi in my studio. I also realized this just seems like the perfect spot to keep paper because it's always such a hassle to grab paper because I always end up putting it somewhere weird. And I want these books to be standing up because I think it looks so cute, but I don't know how to get them to stand up right now. I also want this one on the top. There's something about tiny little books that are just so special, especially when they're art books and especially when they're printed in color like this. It just feels so magical, like a secret. I also have these little postcards. They're vintage postcards from the Museum of American Folk Art. I thought it would be cute to put these up there. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just want this room like filled with inspiration. I love looking at art studio pictures on Pinterest. I've been doing that a lot to like get inspired for how I should decorate it, especially because this is such a small space. But it's actually like a lot of space. I feel like I'm maximizing it super well. And I think the key is lots and lots of storage. Like put as many shelves in as you can. I'm gonna just go for it. Maybe like that. I don't want to overthink it. And it might be bad that I'm putting tape directly on the vintage postcards, but sometimes you just have to do this. Oh, not straight. Is that straight? That looks really cute. This is like a wet palette, so you can keep your paint from drying out. The only thing with these, they always get moldy for me. I love, like, it's so helpful. I waste so much less paint when I use this. So if you have any tips or know why that keeps happening, please let me know. Oh my gosh, it doesn't fit in there. Put it up there for now. I think I'll put this paint in here. I have this amazing calendar pen holder, but I haven't changed the date since October, so let's change it. You just turn it until you get to the right day. Sometimes it gets kind of stuck. There it is. And where's my Apple pencil? I feel like it's perfect for that because it only fits one thing. I don't know, that just makes sense. I have some knitting stuff like my needles and this pattern. I think I'm gonna put it with my sewing yarn stuff. Oh, and then I also have my super cute little Notion case. I have these amazing tiny little knitting scissors and they're pink. And these are my favorite paints at the moment. So I think I'm also gonna put these on the shelf. I realized like, why not just make everything super easy access like this? Like having my favorite supplies right on the little shelf to just grab and go. I feel like that's the whole point of my studio, is to just make it easier for me to make art. I forgot about this. I got one of those portable scanners so you can just scan stuff. I thought it would be really cool for collages or like zines or something. This is the box that has all of my little trims and stuff in it. And this box kind of has like my abandoned crafts, like earring making and stuff like that. But it also has this little goodie box with like pom-poms, beads with letters. So I'm gonna add this to the box of trims because that's kind of like the good fun box. I might just put this up above. What else do I do with it? I feel like that's fine. And this one will go over here. The big brushes can just go in here. I feel like I don't need these all the time. And the gesso too. I really want to start painting again. I have this little space on the wall between the windows and I think I'm going to put nails here and this is where I'll make the paintings. I like painting with it hanging on the wall. It just kind of restricts my size because that's like a specific measurement right there. But I'm not really that into making big work right now anyway. The other thing is these curtains. I think they're really cute, but the annoying thing is that it's just like one big piece. I can't really open them. They don't like go to the side very well. They go to one side and then it's super bulky. So I want to make my own curtains. I've just been really into quilting, so I think patchwork curtains would be really cute and fun. And then I think I'll put my extra sketchbooks in here. This is one that I haven't started yet. It's from Daiso, but it reminds me of the Muji sketchbooks, which I really love. They're just super floppy and the paper is thin and there's so many pages. And I think I like having so many pages in a sketchbook because it just makes me not afraid to use it. Like I can't mess it up. I have lots of opportunities for improvement. But with that little sketchbook, I want to start carrying it around and hopefully using that instead of going on my phone. Let me know if you have any recommendations for the space, like storage ideas, decoration ideas, whatever you want. I'm trying to slowly decorate it so that things can just accumulate naturally. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!